So this tutorial will walk you through setting up the VideoPlace theme so that you can maximize the most out of the theme on your website. So as you can see here, I have a fresh install of VideoPlace on a local development site. Just that. Set it up, no customizations yet, and just walk you through some of the things you can do with this site or this theme to just make it your own. So first we'll go through the site header. It's the same if you've ever used WordPress before. You can skip this, it's your typical WordPress header, size, dimensions, width of 1,000 pixels, height 250. The biggest number there is just make sure it's not wider than 1,000 and not bigger than 250. If it's smaller, then it will center in anyway. You don't have to worry about too much. So I'm just going through, finding a nice logo for it. Just put it in there. And it's there. Simple enough. Now I'll move on to background. This one's a little bit, I guess, trickier to try and find it. Background color. It's suggested to use a solid background color as opposed to background image. Although you can use a background image if you want. But background color, voila, just like that. Nice and easy. Also, this was added in WordPress 4.3, but you can add like a site logo, and VideoPlace actually uses support for that. Just logo that's 512 pixels by 512 pixels. Select it, and it'll appear on the site not only by the title of the site, but down here at the bottom. There. Takes a while to load, I guess. But yeah, those are sort of typical WordPress things that VideoPlace has support for. Now, for a bit of the theme options that come along with it, you can show the sticky post at the top of the home page here, just like that. It replaces sort of the normal progression of post. So it shows here in this top spot, and that's great if you want to have sort of like an intro to your vlog that people will see when they hit the home page instead of maybe your latest video. And the sticky post option is in the single post editor, which we'll go through in another tutorial. Also, you can control the number of posts you want to show on the home page. Like maybe you only want 5. And that's it. Still working maybe on doing infinite scrolling, but that might be something down the line which would replace that. Also, you can add links to your Facebook profile. Just going to type in the URL just to give you an idea of what it does. Go here, voila, simple as that. Also, it supports one menu, and that will show up both on the regular desktop and mobile versions. If you're new to WordPress, just come in here, it's in the main menu, and then just maybe pick one, and typically it should be there. Just like that. And then lastly is the site footer down here. There are 2 widget areas, widget or footer center, footer right. It's really set up for like a menu, like a footer menu. Like here in the center, we'll just add a custom menu. Won't give it really a title. Just put the testing menu in there, like that. Although you probably won't want that many items in your custom menu. And then go to the right and maybe we'll just add a simple text widget. And voila, you've really basically set up the theme as much as you can without diving into code. So yeah, hopefully this helps. The next step in this progression is to write your first post with VideoPlace, and that's in the next tutorial.